10 tips for growing your business through virtual networking. Until recently, most of us believed that FaceTime and other virtual calling activities were for casual communication. However, the world is changing and virtual networking is becoming quite popular. In fact, with everyone staying so busy and always on the move, virtual networking events are more the norm than face-to-face events. In this presentation, we'll explain 10 tips for growing your business through virtual networking. These will help you optimize the benefits from your virtual time together. Reach out to others. Most of the time, a virtual networking event will begin with a chat or icebreaker of some kind while you're waiting on everyone to join. Many times, the host will pose a question and the attendees will answer, and in some cases, attendees reach out to engage with each other while waiting. Prepare your introduction. Most of the time, even with virtual events, there will be a moment that you have the opportunity to introduce yourself. Take some time before the meeting to come up with something that you will say. You can go ahead and type it up so you can read it, or copy and paste it when the time comes. This way, you're not struggling to come up with what to say on the spot. Prepare as if it were an in-person event. If possible, look at the attendees who will be attending the event and decide which ones you want to connect with. If there's not a list available, decide on the types of people you want to meet and your goals for the event. Are you looking to market your products or services? Or are you looking to partner with someone who has a specific skill set? The difference between an in-person event and a virtual event is that at the virtual event, everyone will be part of the conversation. Gather contact information. Since virtual events don't really allow for one-on-one interactions, you're not going to solidify your relationship during the event. Therefore, it's necessary that you take the time to gather their contact information so you can connect with them after the event. Ask questions. If you get a chance to interact with other attendees, it's a good idea to ask questions. If you can't think of anything based on the conversation, why is always a good go-to. Have a positive attitude. When you attend a virtual networking event, make sure that you bring a positive attitude with you. After all, positivity is contagious. Others will be drawn to you. Offer questions that encourage positive responses and/or share some of the things that you've found to be inspiring. This will make everyone feel better and they'll thank you for it. Avoid negativity. While it's true that we all need to vent once in a while, there's no place for things like that in virtual networking events. If you make negative comments, people will remember you for it. Even if everyone else attending the event agreed with you, it'll be your name that people will remember when it comes back up. Share specials. Chances are you may be invited to share any specials your business is offering. Be sure to take advantage of this opportunity. If there is anything that you've changed to allow you to better serve your customers, make sure to mention that. Also, consider offering something special to the attendees of the event. This will create the feeling of being a VIP, and they're more likely to connect with your business in the future. Write reviews. When you're done with a virtual networking event, one of the first things you can do before you follow up with your contacts is to write reviews for their businesses. Go to their social media pages and post about your interactions with the business and/or their products or services. After all, reviews are beneficial for helping businesses get more customers. They also make the business owner feel good about what they're doing. Connect others. If someone brings up a need they have during the event and you know someone that can fulfill that need, make sure that you create that connection. After all, it's always a good idea to be helpful, and if you help them, they may be able to help you in the future. Conclusion. If you plan to participate in a virtual networking event, it's important to take it seriously because they really can be fun and positive, and they can help you grow your business. Just make sure you keep these 10 tips in mind.